Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Interesting. Right. Let's base template. Let's set this background to a conic gradient. Yellow 75%. I think we'll do it at 60 pixels, 60 pixels. We'll shift it into place. 70 pixels. Right, that gets us that center. I think we'll do the radial gradients. So 95, 125, so 30, so 15. One Q. And do 0 slash 180. Perfect. We'll actually make that we'll actually call it C or circle. We'll have another one of those. We'll go 50%. 50%, 0, 100%, and 130 pixels. I think 130 is too little. About 180. And how about 20 pixels? How about minus 20 pixels? 30. Perfect. Right, that gets us everything but these lines. So we'll add 2 P's. Let's just say width 70, height 20, background pink. actually need them longer than that. Let's call it 200. Then let's start putting some margins in. 30, 40, 40 will bring it into there. And then bring it out just 60. How about 70? Try 72. We'll make them slightly longer again. Okay, that looks the same on both sides. Now if we rotate this by 45 degrees, that looks very close. Now, quite why that has shifted this ball, we'll deal with that problem in a minute, because it's probably because the other one. So let's temporarily take out the rotate. Then let's put in minus 140. How about minus 160? Right, that gets everything back in the right place. Then we should just be able to do plus P and rotate minus 45 degrees. And then, instead of just using that, we do a linear gradient, 90 degrees, that color, 70 pixels, transparent. And what do we get? Why have we got nothing? Let's take off the app. That's better. About 60 pixels. That looks very close. And then do 0/60 over 240, so 180 pixels. And let's see how close that is. That is 100%. So let's minify and unit replace. Now, can I think of a better way of doing that? Not a particularly good score, but it's good enough. I'm going to leave it there for now. I might return to this one later. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.